Hello guys, this is Junaid Khan and welcome to my channel. This is the last video of the playlist in which I was showing you that how you can perform CRUD operations with in your Flutter application with Firebase. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can delete the data from Firebase. Let me first show you that what we are going to actually do. When you click on this dustbin button, see the data is deleted from the Firebase. So this is what I'm gonna show you in today's video. So let's start by opening the previous project in which we were currently working. So I just opened the home underscore screen.dart file and right now I'm installing the application in my device to see what we have right now in our application to show you. So the app is installed successfully. Let's add some data. So right now, as you can see, that we are having some problem while adding a data. So this is because the rules are set like this, that after this time frame it will not allow us to read or write data if we are not authenticated from Firebase. So we can change the rules true, and publish. Let's restart our application. So when I restarted the application, now you can see that it's showing the previously added records. If I just click on this one, right now it's not deleting this data. It should delete this one when I tap on this dustbin icon, delete icon. So let's start working on this icon. For this one we have to go student dialog and student widget, this one, and yeah, this icon. So we have to remove the const from this. Show context sections, wrap with widget, ink 12, on tab, like this. And now on tab we have to use our dbref dot child students dot child and for this part we can use this student list key dot remove dot then, like this one. And here I can just make it like this one, int index equals to student list dot index where, like this. And for this one, element student list. So for this part I should rename this parameter to student. Element.key. I renamed this particular variable because it was making issue with this, because this and variable name previously which was defined was having the same name, so that's why I can't use a main list. Element.key equals to student list I dot key. This helps us to find the index where that specific element which we are going to delete is in our list. Like this one, student list dot remove at index and set state, like this. And we have to define the const variable for here. Let's restart our application, see what changes we have done so far. So the application is installed successfully. Let's delete some record. So now as you can see that it's deleted from the Firebase and from our application as well. See, the data is being deleted from the Firebase and from our list as well. So in this way you can perform all of your CRUD operations by following this simple playlist. Press the bell icon, subscribe our channel to get more Flutter updates or more Flutter tutorials. Thank you so much.